Hello there, cutie friends. Today nga pala is birthday ni Ate Georgie or ni Ate Panji, which that's what I call her. Ayan, so naisip ko, bigyan ko na lang siya ng drink para ma-try naman niya, 'di ba? So, simple gift lang. Kasi sobrang appreciative naman ng batang to. So, ayan, order tayo ng frap, tapos bigay natin sa kanya. Ayan, so let's go, cutie friends. Here na. What's that?
Thank you, Tita Mo.
Happy birthday. Love, love, love. Tapos na mag-command?
Isang laro lang. Nakabilig ko lang.
Okay. Ang lasa? Yummy? Tastes like?
It's like ice cream.
Tastes like ice cream? Sarap yung whipped cream, no?
Ito malakas, Mama. I don't know. I cannot describe it. It tastes like I don't know if it's ice cream or shake.